Hi, Mami Helen! Happy anniversary yan! Grabe yung hirap natin, no? Pero, worth it talaga. Maraming salamat sa suporta, sa, sa walang tulugan na dati nga para lang ma-monetize ang ating channel. Ayan. God bless to you always and stay happy. I love you and Merry Christmas!
Hello everyone! Lalo-lalo na po sa mga viewers and supporters ni Mami Helen in Germany. Today, binabati ko po siya ng happy anniversary sa kanyang YT channel. Actually, it's her 4th year anniversary ng kanyang YT channel. I would like to take this opportunity po, Mami, para magpasalamat dahil isa kayo sa naging part ng aking YT journey nung ako'y nag-uumpisa pa lang and syempre until now. And thank you po sa inyong support. Yan, and I'm wishing you po more years to come sa inyong YT journey. Syempre, more subscribers to come, more live streams, and for your health naman, good health po para sige-sige lang ang inyong pagwa-YT. Yan, again, happy 4th year anniversary po, Mami, and cheers to more years in your YT journey, and syempre happiness together with your friends na nakakasama sa inyong live streams. And enjoy your anniversary, and again wishing you more. Bye.
Hello, Ma'am Helen in Germany. Congratulations. Thank you sa mga pasama sa mga live mo. Hello. Ingat with my darling Eddie. Hello. Congrats, Eddie. Hello.
Congrats. Congratulations.
Ingat lagi, Ma'am Helen.
Hello po, Mami Helen. Happy anniversary po. Ang bilis ng panahon. Ano po pala ang pa sa mundo ng YT. God bless you po, Mami. And syempre, sana po more anniversary to come po pagdating po sa YT. Enjoy lang po tayo. Kaya po nang lagi nyo sinasabi na enjoy lang ang buhay sa YT. Thank you so much, Mami. Kasi alam po na kung meron akong tao na hindi po makakalimutan is kayo po yun nila, Mami Angel. Lalo na po kayo kasi po kayo sobrang helpful, sobrang bait po naman. Natatandaan ko po lagi na kapag meron akong gustong gawin, itatanong po ako is you're always willing to help po. Lagi po talaga kayong nandiyan na talagang minsan sasabihin ko, call ako na kasi dali ituturo ko. Talagang lagi kayong ganun, Mami, na hindi ka po kayo, pag nagkakamit po kayo ng free time is talagang ituturo na po sa akin. Kaya sobrang thankful, Mami. Sana po maging healthy kayo palagi. Magkaroon pa po kayo ng magkaroon pa po tayo ng magandang pagsasama po sa YT kahit na po sabihin natin this is virtual friendship. Hope to see you soon, Mami. Sana po magkita po tayo pagdating ng panahon. At sana po palagi pong halagi lang po kayong mag-smile kasi sabi ko, diba, keep smiling para hindi bawas ganda, Mami. Thank you so much po, Mami. God bless you po. Enjoy lang po. Thank you. Love you, Mami.
Hi, hello. Hello, Mami Helen. Ayan, ayan tuloy. Puro ayan. Hello, Mami Helen. I wish you more years to come sa YouTube. Happy 4th year. Lang ng konti. Hindi na sanay sa camera. Pero I'm happy that you still continue the journey. Yan, kung hindi na talaga ako busy, why not, diba? I miss the jamming, I miss the singing, I miss the bardagulan and everything. Pero, back to reality na talaga tayo. And, sorry po dahil super busy po talaga sa real life. So, work especially. So, kaya hindi talaga makayanan ng schedule ko yung to see you guys. If I have time, syempre, why not? Sisilip at sisilip po ako. But you know, behind the camera, you know where to find me. I'm just one message away. Kahit na inactive ako sa YouTube, I make sure na nandyan pa rin ako sa inyo support in my own way. You know where to find me. I'm just one message away. Ganun pa rin naman, walang pagbabago. Mahal ko pa rin kayo ni Mami. mahal ko pa rin kayo ni Mami Angel and of course si Kuya. We're still a family. It's just that life is too hectic. So I hope one day, we could do it all over again. I miss those days. Saan na tayo masaya, chill, walang stress, walang pressure. Basta happy lang tayong kumakanta, diba? Until 5 hours of our life. I miss you all. I miss you, Mami Helen, and happy 4th anniversary sa YouTube. Alam kong you will go a long way pa po, and this what makes you happy. I know that. I love you, Mami. I love you, Mami Angel, and I love you, Kuya. See you all soon. Happy anniversary. Enjoy the rest of the day.
Hello, singing bird. Wow, it's already 4 years old. Happy anniversary. I'm so proud of you, really. At first, I couldn't even imagine that you are going to survive because it looks like it's not your line, but here we are. You are really staying on top. Just imagine, almost 50,000 subscribers. I cannot say anything. Hands up. I'm so proud of you. Keep it up. But always remember that you need to enjoy what you're doing. Okay? Thank you so much. Love ya. Enjoy.